How to add mileage claim in Xero. So first, click Setup Expense Claims, and then let's click on them again. Here scroll down, click Get Started with Expenses. You can click Enable Receipt Scanning, I'm not gonna do that. And first, you need to tick at least one expense account. We can do 429 General Expenses. Let's use this one account for expense claims. And here we have mileage claim accounts. You need to at least select one account. We can, for example, do motor vehicle expenses here. This is the logical account for a mileage claim because I'm recording a vehicle related business expense. Now let's go to use one account for mileage claims. And if you're the only user, give yourself access to Xero expense and choose the appropriate role. So let's click update roles for one member, then go to expenses. And then switch to Xero Me. The mileage claim itself is created through the Xero Me app. Xero says users can enter the start and destination, and Xero calculates the distance automatically. Xero will calculate the distance and apply the mileage rate configured for the organization. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.